Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an account in Evernote. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch in a browser of your choice. Let's say this is my browser and I'm choosing to use Google Chrome. I'd like you to know that creating an account in Evernote is hassle-free. All right, you don't need to go through like ridiculous processes to actually create your account of Evernote. So I'm going to walk you through the process. Now, from this homepage or from this homepage of your browser, locate the search bar, and in the search bar, all you need to do is to type evernote.com. Punch the enter key, and it's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. This is it. Tame your work, organize your life. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so now that we're here, because we want to create a new account, right? So go ahead and click on Start for Free. Now over here, you're gonna have to select the package that you want, right? Let's say you want to do free or personal, professional, or teams. So let's go to free and get started. So over here in this window, you're gonna have to choose to actually enter your details manually, or you can sign in using Google. Now, it'll be much easier if you actually sign in using Google, because you're not going to have to go through the hassle or the process of creating emails that you may definitely forget, or creating passwords that you may not definitely, that you may most likely forget. So that's just it. So once you use Google, you can definitely sign in anytime using Google without, entering your password manually. All right. So you can choose to use Google, or you can choose to enter your email and choose a password. Now, if you choose an email, enter an email and enter a password, go ahead and click on continue. And once you click on continue, you're going to have to go through email verification process. All right, to just keep your account security tight. Now, once you're done, that's just going to be it. You're going to get right into Evernote. Now, if you're using Google, once you click on continue with Google, the next window that's going to pop is for you to select the Google account that you want to use. Once you select the Google account that you want to use, that's going to be it. It's going to take you right into your Evernote homepage, showing that your account has been created. Now, after your account has been created, or while in the process of creating your account, that using any of these methods, Evernote is going to take you through some step-by-step processes to help customize your account. That's going to ask you, is it your personal or business or work account? What thing do you want to do? What kind of project do you want to do? What exactly do you want to achieve? All of those are just to give you a customized experience, all right, or an experience that is tailored, that is tailored to suit your desires, or tailored to suit what you want in Evernote. So this is pretty much the process, right? It's self-explanatory from here. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.